Everybody, welcome back again to another live. This is Oscar, and what a beautiful Sunday, about to start the new working week. And what I can tell you is the following: we're ready. We're ready. Are you ready? You're looking right now on the screen, the Coinbase dashboard. I love to show it just to kind of show you the prices before we begin. You will see later on, if you're watching this live later after a live stream, I'll have a live start timestamp so you can start it, because I like to ramble a little bit before I actually start. But what I'm about to say is, what a week for the cryptocurrencies that we like. For example, I'm talking sideways, not really much to say. I know. But in other words, Solana, who was just breaking new records, I'll show you how it's now sell-off. Sell-off Solana looks different than buying Solana, right? Bitcoin, it was a 50 plus, now it's 46. Some of the people are worried because of the golden cross. In the pattern trading, you find the golden cross and you find other different trading patterns, and they get scared. Ethereum was close to 4,000. It reached 4,000, came back down. Cardano was above $3, came back down. Algorand was 250, and now it's 242, and that's my biggest one. So as of today, I gotta tell you guys that we're just better off than we were a month ago. I'm talking about for Solana, I'm talking about Ethereum, I'm talking about Cardano, Chainlink, and much more. And that's, I think, the start of this live, just understanding how far we've gone. When you're in doubt, zoom out. I'm not the only one who says it. When you are really wondering if cryptocurrencies are for you, or if cryptocurrencies are worth something, zoom out and you'll see how they grow over time. Not really the time you want it, not really exactly when you are asking for profits. It's when you just sit, relax, and do your work, due diligence by buying the dip. Later on, you will see the profits. Hey, Ronald, Abro, James, Clay, welcome aboard, welcome. So I think my first thoughts are, I enjoyed this week a lot. Yesterday, I went to Six Flags. It was delicious, really a great break for my mental health and seeing friends and family. And today, I posted a video earlier today about I'm talking on some updates in Cardano, of course. What's happening with Cardano, I think, is a new demonstration of what people want to accomplish in life. I don't know you, but when I hear Charles Hoskinson, the guy is super young, but looks like he's 50. Like, he doesn't look old, but he just knows so much that there's hope in humanity when you see someone as smart as him not using his intellect for bad but for good. That's just my perspective, right? And what I can tell you is, as of now, the plan for us is to still continue what I've been doing as of now, and we'll continue talking about it as we go on the live stream. James Abro, welcome aboard, welcome. So I'm just waiting for my live to show here on my YouTube channel here on the iPad, because sometimes it takes a while. How you been, everybody? Welcome aboard to all people in the live stream and the chat. Very happy. By the way, guys, we're just growing very fast, and I like to get to know some of you guys. So if you have a question or so, just post a comment in the down in the videos, and I'll be able to reply to them. I like to say that I do reply to my comments, so it kind of feels really cool to do that, because I get to engage with you guys, and I think that's the most important thing for a channel. And I still don't see my life. Whatever. Typical YouTube, right? Or typical YouTube that they don't show me anything. But anyway, we'll just wait later on and see if this thing is showing something. Let me see who we have in the chat. We have Michael Martin. Hello, Oscar. I follow your advice and got some Algorand and Cosmos. It's making me money. That's great. Michael sold off my BTHO and bought more Cardano. Martina, hey, Martina, welcome. Want some action from AMP? Everyone will want some action from AMP, right, everyone? What a week, honestly. What a week. Look to another stream. There you go, Baba Hoo Boo. Appreciate it. Well, there it is. Finally decided to turn on. Super happy. Alrighty. We're set to go. We're set to destroy this live. And here we go. Guys, finally, starting. Welcome aboard. This is Oscar Ramos. And what we talk in this live stream is stocks, raw data, and cryptocurrencies. Lately, I've been talking about a lot of cryptocurrencies because there's so much knowledge in crypto that I want to discover. Cryptocurrency, it's an area of investing that is brand new to many people, definitely to a lot of people in outside the United States, outside of the first world, second world, and that it's fascinating. Why? Well, because cryptocurrencies is a project that is changing the way companies, institutions, and third parties talk to each other. Not only by making store of value much simpler, but transactions. And that's where a lot of the cryptocurrencies called DeFi, decentralized finance, are starting to pop off. Alrighty, guys. And as always, for those who know me, got my water. So in this live, everyone, we're gonna be talking about AM token, Cardano, Alonso update, Algorand, Solana. We'll go ahead and deep dive down on more Cardano, right? And then we'll go ahead and finish with some questions. That's the idea. Jalisco in the house. There you go, Fernando. Welcome aboard. I'm doing well, Harold. Thank you so very much. And if you stay with me by the end of the live stream, I'll be able to answer your questions. I want to stay laser focused to this. So, Opochitl, welcome aboard. Now, first thing I want to show you, everyone, is, well, actually it happened. We go to CoinMarketCap, and the first thing that we see is what's trending on top of the first one is Cardano. But guess what, guys? The price of Cardano is not even close to what everyone was talking about. 257. It's not even above $3. Why did I tell you? I told you it was gonna be like a sell-off, and then the price was gonna ramp up. What we're seeing right now is the price literally not doing anything from the earlier in the morning till right now. It's been the same. Let's go to the technicals. Talking about first Cardano, guys. I had this measure. Just take a look at this. Starting August 2021, right about here, all the way till right now, we see after 43 days, guys, in cryptocurrency, 43 days is not much. If you're a new beginner in cryptocurrencies, 43 days, it's a lot because crypto never sleeps. But at the same time, there's some cryptocurrencies that you have to wait a while. That's the first thing I'm going to tell you, that I'm not a financial advisor, that this is for entertainment purposes only, that you have to buy the dip, that you have to hold your hands, hold a diamond hands. And number maybe 5 or 6 is that it just takes time for cryptocurrencies to really do what they're supposed to do, either for good or bad. Some cryptocurrencies are completely rug pulls that you realize that you just lost all your money. On the other hand, the good cryptocurrencies like Cardano, after 43 days, give you 100, almost 90% return. And that's what you want, right? So almost 90% return. I think not many people you will see or you will hear telling you this. Almost 90% return. Guys, that's what typically the stock market gives you 10% per year. And Cardano just gave you 90% in about 43 days. So think about that. That's just for you to zoom out and enjoy the profits, because some people regret that they didn't sell right here on September 1st, because that was when the price was super up, above $3, and then right about here that they didn't buy. In my case, guys, you have to enjoy life and not really worry too much. If you hold like me, you don't have to worry about selling or buying too much. But when the price is low like this, that'll be the best price, or the best time to buy per se. Now take a look at this, everyone. After a week in September, we see sell-off. We're starting to see more red. That's the sell-off that we're looking at. Take a look at the MACD, and I'm gonna be adding the RSI so you guys can tell by looking at more oscillators and indicators. Listen to me closely, guys. 50 plus of you, listen to me closely. If you're looking for a time to buy Cardano, this might be one of the last times you will see the RSI like this. The RSI is not overbought. The RSI is not oversold. When you see the RSI at this level, it means that it's at a good time on a year-to-date view. This is a year-to-date view. So I like it. If I go to 4 hours, that's what a lot of people use, same medium RSI, like it. On the MACD, we see a positive bullish momentum coming. That tells me that, of course, people are starting to, the price is starting to go up a little bit, as you can see here on the price. Massive sell-off on the 7th, and then right now stable. This, everyone, just doing some analysis for Cardano. This stream is going to be mostly Cardano, but I'm also going to answer questions, talk about token, Algorand, and Solana. But I just want us to focus a little bit for you guys. Right here, this is the volume, and it's looking okay. In my opinion, everyone, I bought Cardano during the dip that we had like 2 weeks ago, the massive flash crash, and I got it at a cheaper price at 253. Now, if the RSI is already in the middle, it's not overbought, it's not oversold. As I clean here, I'm gonna go ahead and change. I go to year to date. You can tell, guys, that whether you buy or sell right now, you are doing it at a good time for you to keep your money where it is in your wallet, safe and sound. Hopefully you're making money, of course. But I will start adding some positions on Cardano at this time. If I see the price come down a little lower, better time to start adding even more positions, because this is the time, guys, where you actually want to wait for Cardano ADA. Now, if you're greedy as me, if you're really greedy and want an even cheaper price than that, well, this was the flash crash that nobody was expecting, so I'm not really relying on the flash crash for you to buy, because you may be sleeping like me, right? What I'm going to encourage you to do, guys, is, well, take a look at where the RSI is going. It seems to be trending downwards at this time. I will suggest that if you want to even wait a little longer, just bet on tomorrow and see what happens, because we haven't see yet a Cardano, I will say, sell-off, because this is a flash crash caused in the cryptocurrency market, right? It's not only one cryptocurrency, specific one. We still have yet to see a sell-off for Cardano. I still believe we might see one because of the whales that are out there. They're waiting. It seems that they're waiting, because once you start buying, you will start to see the price go above $3 easily. I go on YouTube. I don't see too many Cardano watch parties. Why? You might wonder. Because the price is not the level everyone was expecting. I actually knew this was, gonna be a little solid for Cardano. Cardano is not like Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or SafeMoon or whatever or like ACH that just shoots up all the way to the moon in 1 day or two. I mean, if you think about it, from July 21st all the way to September 2nd, that's more than a month. So it takes time, but we love to see that. So my point here is, everyone, if you're watching, my point is that it will take time, hopefully not much, because today is when the smart contracts just happen for Cardano. I still want to see a Cardano specific sell-off, just sell-off, right? Which that will take the RSI for Cardano even lower. I will agree to see that sell-off, putting the price of Cardano close to $2 just for a while, and then coming immediately right back up. So if you're watching this, and that is just my intuition, what I've seen so far. Why? Because, I mean, This is a massive and nice buying momentum that we had on Cardano. And look at it, guys. We had positive MACD for, and I'm going to show you for how long, guys, right here. We had positive MACD from July 24th all the way to August the 30th. So that's a long time. I'm sure that some of the whales and people who have and own Cardano will want to sell and then start buying back at a cheaper price. What do you guys think? Santa Fe Mike 99, welcome aboard, buddy. Appreciate it. Appreciate having you. Fabian Morales, hey, buddy. Good to see you, my friend. Good evening, Oscar. We have rain coming here. I know next few days, Houston, Galveston, to get a bunch of rain prepared and good to go. I know here it's also raining too. And well, we already got the flash or like the tropical storm warnings. I'll be a millionaire in 3 to 4 years. ARAM, well, ARAM, you invite us to your new home. We want to party hard there. Michael Delgado, welcome aboard, Michael. Any update on Cardano smart contracts? Haven't read anything. Well, Michael, it's here, September 12th. It is officially live, and now we're just talking about the price of Cardano, giving you my ideas, thoughts on what's going to happen based on the price. That's what we're talking right now, Cardano specific. So, as I was saying, guys, do not, and that's just what I just described a couple minutes ago, guys. It's what I think would the price go. But everyone, if you get Cardano at 250, 270, 220, 245, you're not buying like a whale, I would assume, right? Like you're not buying millions of dollars of Cardano. You're probably buying thousands or $100 or $900 or a couple thousands. So don't really beat yourself up if you don't get the best price. I didn't get the best price. I've been getting some decent prices ever since. But the price of Cardano, just by holding, my friends, it just pays you back by holding nice and easy. That's my best recommendation to you as your friend, as Oscar Ramos, who is someone who's learning a lot about cryptocurrencies. Don't tell yourself, right? There's, for example, like in stocks, you're waiting for a stock to go down while the other one is up. Well, if you want to buy Microsoft today, but Microsoft is 10% up, and you see PayPal down by 7%, then buy PayPal because the two are inside of the technical industry, and the two are gonna rise up no matter what in the long term. You see what I'm saying? So applying that same concept, you can come back to cryptocurrencies and say, okay, I like Cardano, I like Algorand, I like Solana, and I like Ethereum. If 3 of them are up, but only one is down, buy the one that's down. Even though you really want to buy everything that's popping off. That will be my best recommendation because that's how you make money, everyone. If you follow that advice, buying, guys, when it's down here, only July 20th was the lowest price in the last couple of months for Cardano. Imagine buying Cardano right here, everyone. Also, at this time, Alonso update, there was already papers and news that it was going to come. But only after this rally and stuff is when people actually were paying attention. So if we see the price dropping due to the sell-off that I'm forecasting for this cryptocurrency that I still have yet to see, it's just my opinion, well then, honestly, at that point, I'll probably be moving some monies around because I don't want to get more Cardano. I want to get to that 5,000 position and bam. All right, so that's what I wanted to tell you about Cardano from the price point perspective. When it comes to the prediction for Cardano, guys, this is what I have, $2.89, which I have it as the top here on, I'm looking this price on Bitfinex. That's the exchange, but we know that the price of Cardano went above $3, so that was what I said, and I'm still leaving it because I told you that I wanted to tell you how my conservative predictions were. But by the end of the year, the price must be above $3. Has to be above $3. That's what I think. Must be. So that gives me a great peace of mind because I've been buying Cardano at less than $2. So what a beauty. Let me go ahead and show you a couple more things for Cardano. Charles said earlier today here on his Twitter, I've been following the guy, of course. This is what he said 13 minutes ago. So let's go ahead and take a look at what he's saying. These smart contracts on Cardano, are they in the room with us right now? So that is, he says, yes, they are. He is very active right now. He's very active. He had a party and stuff, so that's pretty cool. And of course, people were expecting, a massive boom for Cardano. I asked you guys 6 days ago, almost a week ago, if you could only own one crypto for the rest of life, which one would it be? And almost with 4,000 votes, almost 4,000 votes, guys, you're saying Cardano. So some of you who are watching still like the cryptocurrency. That means a lot. And at the end of the day, guys, I think you're still going to make it. Cardano is one of those beauties that you see it right now. Cardano ADA on CoinMarketCap. I mean, 82 market cap, 82 billion, everyone. Will it reach 100 billion? Absolutely. Now, I do believe 100 billion is very close, to be honest with you guys. The price of Cardano right now, let's go ahead and do it, it's 2.55. Now, adjusting the slider for Cardano, the price was at $3. The price was at $3, above $3, and that gave Cardano a market cap like 100 billion. So we were already there if you look at the price history. So 100 billion market cap, it's going to be possible by the end of the year. That's not a problem. That will be a 21% up from right now. And we were there already if we go back here. So it's going to be just a matter of time. I will predict for Cardano something like this. Since smart contracts is so early, something even, then we have to decrease a little bit. And then this thing is going to get wild and insane going back up. That's my best prediction as of now, based on how we've been seeing Cardano go and how I see this. What do you guys think? Let me know. Ask me questions. How about XYO? I don't know which one is that, Cedrell. I'll be happy to take a look at it by the end of this live. Matic, that's a good one. Polkadot is doing well right now. Darling, Darren, yeah, Polkadot is another beauty dot for sure. Alfredo, thank you for your videos. Anytime you gave me confidence to buy crypto. Now I'm up 50% after starting about a couple months ago. No way, Alfredo. Kudos to you, my man. I'm super happy to hear that you're making money. That is the idea. That is the idea, right? Making money with it. Good evening, my friend Oscar, cryptocurrency investors. Oscar, how is everybody doing today? We're doing well. Orlando, welcome aboard. The great Dale, which coin has the most potential to make me over 100K with a $1,000 investment? With a $1,000 investment making you more than $100,000, I will say that you should have bought ACH before the pump of Coinbase effect and sell it when it was 23 cents, because I did that analysis in a video and I show you that with $1,000 you could have had 715,000 coins, and then that would have translated at a price of 23 cents, that more than $1 million. So in reality, that's very difficult to do without a pump like the Coinbase effect. So just saying that, right? It's very difficult to get to $100,000 from $1,000. That will be Shiba Inu level. Shiba Inu will have to rise a lot for you to get that money. But that's a good question. This Icon, hey, welcome aboard, buddy. You're a legend, man. I've got some app. Great for you, just because you explained it so good. Keep the videos coming, my friend, anytime. Appreciate you guys' support. If you guys are watching the channel, my name is Oscar. Talk about stocks, short term and cryptocurrencies. Make sure you like the video. Consider subscribing, support the channel, and turn on those notification bells. We're talking about Cardano. I'm talking Solana. What else? Algorand. The Alonso update. We're just kind of having a conversation right now. And at the end, I'll take your questions. Absolutely. So you guys are watching this. Let me go ahead and show you, since we are just breaking right now 100 viewers. So going back to this beauty, analyzing the prices, forecasting, because I love to do this. Like when I think about it, guys, some of us, I don't have too many friends. Sadly, I'll have to have. I would love to have more because I'm always working. I'm always putting the work right now here on the side, and when I find people that like cryptocurrencies or investing, you won't see my eyes how become so like bright at looking at them because we connect in that like in a level that not many people want to talk about cryptocurrencies, right? And they ask me sometimes like, oh, like, do you know, like, tell me more about it. I'm like, oh, sure, no worries. So, and I speak about Cardano and XRP and all of that, and it's just beautiful, right? To have that same conversation level with some other individuals. Alrighty. So I was saying, if we select considering Cardano right now, my honest opinion, guys, is that online friends, I know, I know, online friends, right? Who needs real friends? um, in my personal opinion, everyone, it's so cheap and early that I don't want to say we look like toddlers not being so I will say not having enough patience, like when our moms used to tell us like, come on, stop whining, right? Like, guys, we look at cryptocurrencies every single day. Can we just wait for 3 months and then come back and see how much money we made? That you guys understand? It makes total sense, right? We're gonna be fine. That's the idea. I don't worry like if my portfolio is up $1,000 tomorrow and then the next leg is $3,000 less. Let me just give you an idea. Like on Gemini, the last week or month, in the last week, as you're seeing right now on the screen, negative 13%, and then that's like about $2,000. I don't worry about it. Like I see it, and honestly, I've lost more money in the stock market, but I've gained that money back as well. So I'm used to seeing those numbers down from my thing. There's people in playing in the crypto market that have never had the experience losing like a stock market contract or just losing a bunch of money. So you don't have that experience and you're like, wow, I just lost $500. No way, the life is ending. In reality, guys, money helps you build more money, but you just have to take your battles, right? And because you're still gonna lose some money no matter what. When it comes to Coinbase, guys, like I was mentioning in today's video, I'm already above $10,000, which is still insane. The reason why of Algorand and Cardano, and that I'm gonna go ahead and touch more on Cardano too. So as I was saying, this guy, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the chat so you guys can take a look at him. Is the founder of Cardano. I know most of you know him. So Charles, pretty cool guy. He's always having lives. I mean, that's pretty cool. And now you see, of course, that Cardano was 29%, the cryptocurrency that I mentioned, that had just way more support, and that's what people want to buy. So going back to what I was saying, don't worry, it's all gonna be fine. Cardano, by adding this smart contracts capability, it's pretty much same level as Ethereum right now, and the sky's the limit. Double J in the house, member chat. How you doing, Double J? Welcome aboard. AMP 88 had to stop behind the dips. Takes a lot of self-control, cross my comfort zone. Thinking I need to build my reserves for a while and just watching the daily market. Double J, I understand what you're saying, my man. Welcome aboard. Yeah, I mean, it just means patience. I'm going to talk about I'm talking very soon, and I'm going to follow up with that because, I have some thoughts here right now. Harold, Oscar on Tuesday, CEO John Tan will be live talking about the new partnership with Alchemy. Prepare for the pump. So thank you, Harold. We'll take a look at that one too. I'm gonna go ahead and close this beauty. And let me go ahead and show you guys to end with Cardano. Let's go ahead and end Cardano with this one. So you guys, if you didn't watch today's video, I'm going to make sure I explain what I'm about to explain right now. Double J says long-term means not looking every day, but can't seem to stop looking. man, you're not the only one. Believe me, you are not the only one. And it's fine. Hey, guys, you're looking at money being made. Don't worry. Like, I know it could be addicting, so just have some self-control, right? Um, so what I'm about to tell you is this, guys. Cardano ecosystem. If we find the Ethereum ecosystem, you're gonna see a lot of known dApps that you already seen before. Let me go ahead and show you, because then you will see how they kind of relate to each other. Ecosystem map. Let me go ahead and show you the Ethereum ecosystem. Just one right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Okay, so here it is. Oh, beautiful. It's so huge. So Ethereum ecosystem, you have DeFi, and these are just the logos, because if we start adding the names, it's gonna be insane. Look at the NFTs, look at the scaling, active investors, centralized exchanges. That is just insane. And this, guys, runs on Ethereum. Wow. Look at the DeFi, guys. That is just amazing, right? So this is Ethereum. This is what they do. And infrastructure, they have Chainlink, they have MetaMask. Like, guys, Ethereum is, like I'm saying, we know Cardano is a big player in the future, and I'm buying a lot of Cardano, but do not forget about Ethereum, please. Okay, you as my watchers, as my subscribers and members, don't forget about Ethereum. So this is a good one for the long term. Now, why did I want to mention Ethereum? Because you see all these companies, you may not heard them before, because I mean, this coming from the Cardano ecosystem blockchain, but there was a time when this was the only thing you would have seen, because Ethereum was the only blockchain out there with issues, with high transaction fees. Like when you're trying to stake your coins or pay or receive payments or just send some money into other wallet, it's costly, guys. The fees are high. And when you see that people are not happy with it, they're going to start making other solutions. One of those solutions is Cardano. The other one is Solana, and much more. Cardano, guys, has lending, decentralized exchange, NFT gaming, wallet. There's Exodus here as well from Alpha if you're in college, and much more. Celsius even on Travala. So, wow. It is just the beginning, guys. It is just the beginning. That's what I can tell you. Okay. Ace Esther, welcome aboard, my man. It is just the beginning, and I'm here for the long term. And this really keeps me excited for what's to come. Of course, I don't know every single one of these companies, but each one of them represents a vision, a project. I agree. On the other hand, not all of them will succeed, that will have some failures along the way. But when you're buying 188 Cardano, you're supporting the entire ecosystem, and you're, at the end of the day, helping this cause move forward. The next thing will be staking Cardano. And staking Cardano, I'm very happy to say that later on, when I finally build my positions, I'll be going to a pool and finally staking my Cardanos, so I start earning some rewards. That's the idea. Alrighty, that's Cardano DeFi, everyone. Cardano Alonso. If you guys go here, discover Cardano, and we'll have the journey, the Cardano roadmap, which is something I talked about earlier in this video, earlier today. We're right here on the smart contracts, right? Step number 3. You click here, and of course, it gives you all this nice information, guys. I'll go ahead and post it in the chat so you take a look at later on. How much would you need to stake Cardano? Well, I'll probably gonna stake. Oh, how much would it be, like gas fees or so? I don't know. I'll still go ahead and take a look at once the time is up. But I'll probably go ahead and stake my entire portfolio there on Cardano. Amateur, Oscar, you forgot my suggestion in one of your latest lives. I have my eyes on you. Still remind me, amateur, because I forgot. Probably I forgot, so please let me know once again. There you guys have it. So Once again, everyone, it's great for me to just put things in perspective, as this website says. And I just zoom out, pan out. When in doubt, zoom out. And as the very beginning, once again, and the way we started this live stream, everyone, I'm going to go back here and delete this. The idea for us is to, for me, of course, and for what I've said many times over and over, is looking at the price, making the best buying decisions you want. You know that by looking at everything, when things go south, beautiful time to buy. And that's what it is. All right, everyone, that was Cardano ADA. And cheers to a new era for Cardano. I hope you guys have Cardano. Let me know. Go ahead and start creating our first poll of the night. Do you own ADA? Let's see how well my viewers and you guys right now know about this project, and let's see if you guys own it. That'll be good to see. Let's see how many of you guys own it. And if you don't own it, go ahead and post in the chat right now. Why don't you? I like to hear that, right? Some people think that it's just so overhyped. I've heard those comments before. Hey, all comments are welcome. Multi-vac, MTV. Okay, I see. Okay. Hey, Nick, welcome aboard, buddy. 366.88 from me. There you go. I'm talking. Let me know if in a few years when it's pumping. It's all right, my friend. It's all right. Nice. One Cardano. That stuff. Alrighty, everyone. Next on the chart, what I like to talk about, guys, is gonna go and follow with AM token. And I've said enough earlier today, but I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat a couple of things that I have on my mind. And if you have a question, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and close this poll, making sure I make my slides more concise and to the point. And we have, as a result, 40 votes. And right now we'll have the results pretty nicely done. We have 40 votes and 82% own Cardano and only 17% do not. Not a problem, everyone. One day you will convert. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Jay Ladd, we just finished talking about Cardano, but the quick answer to your question, will ADA will pump? Yes, it will. When? I don't know. Man, that's the best answer ever, right? I don't know exactly when, because I don't predict the future, but zoom out, everyone. Zoom out. Don't think about tomorrow or yesterday or right now. Looking at the price right now, we've seen that it already pumped. By the news of the Alonso update, will this be a buy the rumor, sell the news? Kind of looks like, I mean, as if you see how the prices are trending, but people are buying by the masses. There's going to be a massive sell-off. And to piggyback a little bit before starting talking about AM token, guys, let me go ahead and show you Solana. And this is a great example. Take a look at Solana right now, everyone, on the chart. I'm going to go ahead and open the RSI so you even understand a little bit better. Solana, for the longest, this is the year-to-date view, was above the upper band, super overbought, but finally it's already declining because people are selling. That is the big one. 163 right now, Solana. It reached a price of $215, and right now it's still in the peak of the overbought position. When Solana was at the bottom on July the 20th, the price of Solana was $25. Will the price be back at $25? I don't think so, everyone, but that's what we see. That's what we see. People are telling me DOT. Let me go ahead and take a look at DOT too. I don't have DOT, but I mean, you know, guys, that if I had more money, I will buy it. So here is DOT. This is Polkadot, and looking at the year-to-date view, and we see that DOT is rising. Okay, we're back. Okay, we're back. I think we're back, everyone. For some reason, my Discord was failing a little bit. So go ahead and tell me if we are back in the chat. I hope we are. Oh, wait. Seems that we're not there yet. Wow. Some of my systems are crashing. That's no bueno, everyone. Can you guys hear me? You're good, maybe. Huh. Well, let me go ahead and try this again. Sorry, guys. For some reason, it's not. Okay. I see me. Okay, we're gonna continue. For some reason, my systems, are buggy. But okay, we'll continue. Thank you so much. So, all right. So as I was saying, well, DOT it's a good one right now. I mean, it's increasing. Definitely DOT, Polkadot is one that I love to have once it comes back a little bit lower. So very good. As I was finishing with Solana, guys, I said before that I wanted to buy Solana because I do want to. I still want to. And right now it's starting to become a great time to do so. So I like the cryptocurrencies. I like the idea that we're sharing here. I'm still gonna wait a little bit longer. Oh wow, and you see here the MACD finally about to cross the signal. What a great news. What great news. So that's what you have to take a look at before buying something, right? Before buying something, I think that will be my best recommendation. Take a look at the indicators. They give you a very good idea what's going to happen in the upcoming future. Good job, everyone. Prelude before the crash. There you go. Alrighty. Hey, Liquid Mine. Well, we're always improving. Thanks so much for coming up. Alrighty. Now, finally, time to talk about some AMP token. We're excited for this. Want to go ahead and drink some water. Our DRAM token, guys, it's one. Okay, I'm gonna put you in a timeout, my friend, because we don't want hate here, Alrighty. About to 10 Sol baby. Oh, really? 10 Solana? Delicious. And I was thinking about the number 10 too, to be honest, Fatty. I was also thinking about that too. Honestly. I was thinking about that too. Because the idea, of course, is to build foundations. Before you actually go hard on something. I'm talking, guys, still, of course, not worry. I don't like, of course, that the price is just like dropping ever since. We go ahead and take a look at. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening the support and resistances right now with a Fibonacci. I'm gonna go back to here on August the 23rd. I'm gonna drop down here and bam. So there you go. What we're seeing right now is that still the price is consolidating at a price of 5 cents, not really passing the 1, 2/3 resistance right here that we have above, close to the golden ratio. This is when I wanted to see it, but we're here yet. Now, I do have to agree that we've seen, I do need some, sometimes, yes, I do need some bergs one time. I do agree, guys, that we've seen, especially this week, massive news for Flexa network for token. I like the news, expanding the business, expanding geographical expansion, like Tyler was saying many months ago, and still the price is not booming. There was one comment that I found fascinating, is that AMP token really doesn't pay too much attention on marketing, right? They don't try to, I will say, convey to the consumers what they're about to do. Once it's done, that's when they post it on Twitter, and from there, that's pretty much it. They use other websites to give more information, but that's it. So I'll just have to wait and see, right? I'm not at this point buying more AMP token. Why? You might wonder. Because I already have my foundation, already about 5,000 to 6,000 on AMP token. I don't need more. Later on, of course, once I have my Cardano, Algorand, Ethereum, and Bitcoin positions foundations, then I will go ahead and think about something else. The idea for me, guys, and for me to share with you is once you already have the your goal and the number of tokens that you wanted for one cryptocurrency, move on, diversify. Not really go ahead and just buy one cryptocurrency, because that is not a good idea, and I'm never gonna support that, even if it's AMP token. I recommend always to just keep your options open. There's great projects out there, some of them that I don't even know about, because guys, we only have 24 hours in the day, right? That's what I would suggest for you guys. AMP token is sure a long-term play. It's a 1-year-old cryptocurrency so far. Let's go ahead and zoom out to 1 year here on Gemini. And this is what we start looking at, guys, right? We see these massive swings of buying and selling. And it seems to be happening again too. The next thing for AMP token, if we actually want to see some big pumping, will be, of course, to be added on Binance and to start with more expansion. That's what I will agree to. So we'll just have to wait to see. I'm holding, not leaving, everyone. That's the idea. Thoughts on Cardano now? April, I've already covered that earlier, so you might want to check that too. But we're doing good on Cardano, and happy to have those my positions set in stone. Rosa, Oscar, about it. What's going on? It's me, or did AMP become stable coin? Who is holding past dollar? My exit plan is $1. I'm jumping ship. Rosa, AMP token is not a stable coin. Stable coins are those that attach to a peg to a value like the US dollar. AMP token is not a stable coin. AMP token is a collateralized token, serves to collateralize payments on the Flexa network. That's what it does. That's it. The idea right now, what we're seeing is that people, yes, do know about AMP token, but by the same token, that sounds pretty cool, right? They're not buying too many because they are not making money. They don't see the price going anywhere, so that's why people are not buying. Once you start giving them a little hint, more people jump, and that creates, a kind of like snowball effect. It's fine. It will take some time, and I know, of course, that more people are looking to take advantage of the dip. But let me tell you guys, once again and again, it is not when the price of a certain cryptocurrency is blowing up that you want to buy. It is when no one is talking about it or no one wants to buy it, that's when exactly is the best time to take advantage of, right? The reason why people are talking about ADA and Solana and Polkadot right now and Algorand is because are rising in price, and that makes people interested because they think they're going to make money. But the best strategy is not to buy when it's just blowing up. It's right now. I'm going to go back, zooming in, and then I'm going to do the indicators, and I'm going to show you the RSI for AMP token, and look at the RSI, everyone. What a beautiful day, isn't it? So if you want to day trade this beauty, AMP token, right now, if I was starting with AMP token and I knew what I know now, easily buying $5,000 of AMP token. I'm going to wait a month from now, 1 month. I'm not saying 1 day. I'm not saying 12 hours. I'm not saying 5 hours, because it does seem that sometimes the community are thinking about like, oh, yes, people told me that cryptocurrency will make me rich overnight. That's a clear lie, right? This is not Dogecoin back in the day. So waiting a little bit more on Cardano or an AMP token with a $5,000 investment, which that will give you close to 100,000 coins. Easily was going to rise 1 or 2 cents in the upcoming month, and then that will be a great plan for you to exit. I just gave you a proven strategy that's going to make you money, right? That will be trading AMP token, not holding for the long-term AMP token. I'm holding for the long-term AMP token, so I am not putting enough attention to the pumps or dumps. I'm just saying when it pumps, oh great, look at the money I made. But then it dumps, I'm like, oh well, it's back. I mean, it's fine. We'll be back soon. So that's the idea here. When you stake AMP token, right, you wouldn't want to sell it because then you have to unstake it, and that will cost you gas fees. And well, once you stake your AMP token, you're set. And my perspective will be just to leave it there for a while. All right. So I will tell you that, guys, by looking at this, it is what it is. And I know it's not attractive, not sexy, but it all indicates that we'll be here for the upcoming days too. I have to agree, guys, that I wanted to see AMP token be, way above 6 cents. We're not passing that. So, well, for now, if you wanted to find other cryptocurrencies that are actually making you money and just leave this one on the side, that wouldn't be a bad strategy too. That's what I'm doing right now. I already have my position and I'm focused on the next ones. There you go. And you need more time to get more, because once it starts coming up, could be too late. Absolutely. Absolutely, William. It is not a stable coin because it's highly volatile too. Highly volatile. Absolutely. No worries. We're here live. So the other cryptocurrency, it's time to talk about that, of course, is my winner. It's Algorand, everyone. Welcome to the Algorand time. Are we ready for Algorand, everyone? Are we ready? Algorand, baby. There it is on Coinbase. Algorand, guys, it's a big one. It's a biggie. I'm excited. And what else can I tell you? I'm making money with Algorand. So in this live, we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, please. Thank you so very much. If you consider subscribing, because the cryptocurrencies I talk in this channel, guys, as you see on my videos and on my lives, these are not cryptocurrencies that I'm telling you 100x in 3 days, or this thing is gonna 1000x tomorrow. No, guys. I would love to say that, but because then we're all gonna make money. But in reality, I'm not a genie. I'm just not gonna create false expectations, right? The idea for me is to create some certain type of message that people listen, what I believe is important, and at the end you guys make the final decisions, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and that's it. We have different type of investors, and we have different type of cryptocurrencies. Stable coins like Gemini Pay or the Gemini Dollar, Tether, DAI, and those are stable coins. So typically you get a high yield for holding them. You have AMP token that really is what we've seen as sideways trading, but you have Flexa capacity and Gemini that if you buy your AMP tokens in bulk a lot and you put them to work, they give you passive income, right? So as you live your life, you will see that in the next 2 to 3 years, if the coin 5x's, which means from 5 cents goes to 25 cents, 5x, guys, if you had 200,000 coins at 5 cents average, that's making a lot of money, 5x money in about 2 to 3 years. But still you're making more AMP tokens because they're paying you with cryptocurrency as you earn staking rewards. You see that? So the idea is not here, of course, to just immediately. Greg Suosa in the chat. How you doing, Greg? Welcome, VIP member. Welcome aboard. The idea, of course, is to enjoy the time being and having different strategies, because that's what I have. I know my Cardano and Algorand are gonna blow up because they have a lot of potential. They are blockchains and they're allowing people, dApps companies, to build on them. I have my AMP token on the side because it's just bringing enough and huge utility to the Flexa network. I have my Bitcoin as a store of value, digital gold, and I have my Ethereum, which is my digital silver, the S&P of cryptocurrencies. So there you have it, everyone. There you have it. I hope what I just said clears, some doubts and makes sense to you, everyone. And if you want to support the channel, guys, consider becoming a member here on YouTube. You have the next to the subscribe button, you have the join. Take a look at it. So Algorand, guys. Algorand is a beauty. I have Algorand, and this is the cryptocurrencies that so far has given me so much satisfaction to hold it. Guys, take a look at this. Algorand is right below Chainlink. Right below Chainlink. Wow. Oh, well, right below Binance now. If I go to Coinbase right now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you my portfolio. There it is, everyone. I have 2,221 Algorand. 2,221 Algorand. That's what we have right now, and that equals to $5,386. Algorand is 51% of my Coinbase portfolio, and then it's Cardano at 39%. Now, why is that, everyone? It's just that I love what it all stands for, and I'm thinking about even bringing some Algorand team members to the live. Also, I wanted to have Tyler from Flexa with the AMP token project, of course. So I've always kind of tried to bring people, and when working on that, that'll be a good special live too. The idea is for them to let us understand their projects a little bit better. I have nothing, guys. I have nothing. I know Algorand is a huge deal, and I'm here for the long term too. I bought Algorand less than $1. I bought Algorand at $1. I bought Algorand at 150, and right now it's paying off like you never seen before, guys. And I'm happy because I was able to make, like you see here on top of my screen, from Mark Lee with the first super chat of the night. Thank you so very much, Mark Lee. Appreciate it. Do you get any True 5 or Play Dab Oscar? I did not get any, Mark Lee. I did not get any yet. Starting the year, guys, I started with $0 on April 2021, and right now everyone $10,000. And I haven't put a lot of money here. Maybe from my money will be around $5,000, $6,000, so the rest is profit. You see that? I like Algorand. I've said it. I don't have I'm not tired of saying it. Once we go and take a look at it, why are they unique on? It specializes at blockchain, specializes in DeFi. Algorand is to build similar projects like Ethereum by improving scalability, security, reducing the amount of time it takes for transactions on the network to be considered final, guys. So developers can use Algorand to create decentralized applications for loans, decentralized trading, and many other uses, guys, that can take advantage of fast, low-cost transaction processing while scaling to a large number of users. So, I mean, I've talked about this beauty before, and I think the idea for it is every time I see it low, which we had it low this week, guys. We came from 250 tops all the way down to less than $2 on September 10, guys. And I picked some more. That is how you play this. That is how you play this. Below $2, boom. Now, here's the deal. Algorand has way less tokens or coins than Cardano. That is beautiful. That means that it's going to be easier for Algorand to reach the next level price related. Welcome aboard to Mummy of Aka. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name well. To a new VIP membership of the live. Welcome aboard, Mummy. Mommy. That sounded so wrong. I thought I said Mommy. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. Let's go, Mummy. Appreciate it. Appreciate your support. Any questions, let me know. You have the priority. That's so funny. So the idea, everyone, is that they have algo. They have 10 billion. Yes, they have 10 billion. 5.2 circulating, but they have 10 billion total. ADA Cardano has 45 billion. AMP token has 100 billion. Solana has 440 something million. So the less coins they have, the higher the potential for them to grow. Mommy using the AMP token stickers. There you go. Thank you so much for the support. So my thing, everyone, is if I want to compare Algorand to, of course, Cardano, which it's one that makes total sense, that will be a 572% upside. One Algorand, if he had the Cardano's coin market cap of 82.4 billion, one Algorand will be worth $15. And to be honest with you, everyone, Algorand above $10 or at $10, it's something I'm not worried that it won't happen. To be honest with you guys, I'm not worried it won't happen. So just imagine the amount of profit we'll have by then. Now, will this happen by the end of 2021? Maybe not, guys. We'll have another crash in the cryptocurrency market. Algorand will come back down, then it will come back up and down and come back down. But sooner or later, everyone will reach in those levels, because as you show you how it does look like when you have all this type of branches in one blockchain, well, Algorand will have it too. And that is what I'm betting on, everyone. That is what I'm betting on. I think they will go crazy. And what I'm doing right now is buying when they're low, buying what I believe is a great time to get on top of them. Taking a look at the Algorand prices and analysis, guys. Let me go ahead and show you right now. Before the pump is when I got all my positions. So of course my portfolio was doing so well that I wouldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it, to be honest. I couldn't believe what I was looking at. Right now, the price of Algorand is coming down from 250 all the way to 230. So I will still say that the price of Algorand is a lot overbought, but not that much as you see right now on the screen. Okay, it's not much overbought, so still we can have a bigger loss or a bigger pullback all the way to 180 again. We're starting to see that we have 180 on September 10 or September 11. On September 10 we had 180. Yes, on September 11 we have 1.80. So 180 seems to be a level that Algorand is facing support, and right now it's coming back a little bit down. Once you see Algorand under $2, guys, that is, I think, my call to start pitching in a little bit. That's what I do. As always, not a financial advisor, guys, but that's what I do. And I love it, guys. I mean, I think that's the idea, to have a massive success. As you can tell from these two lines, that people are buying a lot. So always be cautious, because, I mean, a massive sell-off will bring the prices back down. But wouldn't be scared. This is for the long term. So I'm betting on this one bigly, everyone. And Algorand's highest price was about here. So I want you guys to take a look at this. Algorand's highest price was $3.26. That was about mid 2019. So you're seeing on the screen right now, Algorand's highest price was $3.20 something change. That was middle 2019 when it was released. Then look at this, price crashed completely back down to less than 20 cents and then back at 17 cents. So just imagine knowing about Algorand right about here on this white horizontal line, which is March 18, 2020, guys. Imagine buying Algorand at that level. Forget about it, everyone. Forget about it. So it will help a lot of companies. It will help other countries. People are saying Algorand and El Salvador. Just take a look at that, right? So blockchains are what's trending on right now. Once again, going back to market cap, it's 15 right now, guys. Do you think it's gonna come all the way back to 10 and more? I do think so. And I know I'm sounding a lot bullish, and I know I'm sounding a lot like I'm just expecting too much. But hey, I want to be early to something, right? I've been late to everything. Finally, I'm finding a project that is giving results and that has tremendous potential and team. This guy, I mean, Silvio Micali, I mean, MIT professor, then the rest of the team that I show you in my video, guys, they just had so much experience, and of course, everything that they're trying to accomplish. This is exactly what I'm betting on. So I have Algorand, I have ADA. What else do I need? Of course, I mean, that is amazing, guys. Jonas, to be honest, ADA smart contract is disappointing. I was expecting at least on product to be launched today, but none. Really, after 4 years of work. Jonas, just wait and see, my friend. DJ Flexa, welcome aboard. It's buying time. Remember, guys, Jonas just said it. Jonas just said it. Sorry for picking on you, my man, but I want to use you for an example. It's disappointing. You just said it right now. When it's disappointing, when people are sad, when people are losing faith, when nothing seems to be working the way everyone expected, that is precisely the time when you get greedy on your investments. I'm talking about me because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just talking here my soul. That's when I buy, and so far you've seen my portfolios. Once again, I'm showing you to the crowd. Portfolio, 1 year, all. Here it is, everyone. It's trending up. It's trending up. I've been doing that ever since, and I've been getting tons of money. Not to show off because I have nothing to show off. I don't have any money, guys. That's nothing compared to other people. But what I'm saying is, if you follow that strategy, 2021, it's been my year for crypto. It's not over yet. 2021 is not over yet. So what you want to do, guys, is follow this simple pattern, and at the end of the day, you might end up earning a lot of money. I've heard, of course, so many people here in the chat saying that they make money with what I say. I mean, guys, of course, you do your own research, please. But in reality, we're here for the long term, and we want to go to the moon. Cheers to that, everyone. Cheers to that. Everybody, let's go ahead and get to 100 plus likes. We got 67. Let's go, everyone. If you're liking the channel, if you're liking the content, let's go ahead and support this. Let's tell YouTube to take us to the moon as well on the likes, so we can end the right way. Thank you so very much for your support, guys. Welcome aboard to the new members. Thank you so very much, Mommy, for the VIP membership. And A Ramp, we have another super chat in the night. Thank you so very much, my man. What is your price when you're gonna sell your AMP token in a few years? That is a great question, my friend. And the idea for selling AMP token is close to $1 and passing $1. That is what I'm looking at, right? I understand, of course, that is in the foreseeable future. That is hard to do, but I have enough money to survive. I don't need the money I have invested in all my cryptocurrencies, guys. So that is, I think, another important thing to realize, correct? Like the money you have, this 10,000, 12,000, that's money that I don't really need in this time to survive my standard of living. I have nobody to impress with the money, right? I mean, that is just kind of like stupid. Why would you spend money to impress people that sometimes you don't even like? All this money is for later. All this money is for using for the big dreams that we have so far. So we're putting that money to settle. Of course, once again, $1 AMP token, I'm going way above the charts. But I'm just saying, of course, in the case, reaching easily, passing 10 cents, 20 cents, and then, of course, considering that as the developers, Flex and Consensus, start to speak up about the token, I mean, they, of course, have to make a case for them and let more people join the project. We start seeing more demand on the token, more people coming in, more holders, and, well, that will rise the price in a matter of days. Let me go ahead and show you right now. We had 40,000 AMP token holders last time I checked. Let's go ahead and take a look at right now. 41,000, everyone. So just to give you an idea, guys, we are always increasing in the number of holders, and the price of AMP token has done nothing in the last month or two, right? It's actually, it's less if you think about it. So how are we still increasing in the number of holders? Not many cryptocurrencies do that. Typically, if you see the price of a cryptocurrency, that's what a lot of people do, decrease for 3 days, and they're leaving the ship because they're too tired. I think it's just 3 days. I know it's sad, but it's reality in crypto nowadays. When it comes to AMP token, I've been holding this cryptocurrency since, I believe, February or March, and I'm every time getting more excited with the productivity and utility they bring to the chain, to the network. So that is the idea. Once we get out of this 5 to 6 cent, I will say it, consolidated price, I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy, to be honest with you. Gameplay $4.99. Thank you so very much for the support. Gameplay, appreciate it. What do you think about Cosmos? Let's go ahead and check Cosmos, because I've heard Cosmos before, and I know it's one that is trending too. Can you please answer? Let me see. We're not a scam. As if we're not a scam. That I can tell you. I know there's a lot of scam comments in the comments below, so I'm never going to ask you for your number or your personal information. So thank you for bringing that up. Cosmos, 5%. Well, first and foremost, they give you 5%, of course, on Coinbase, so that's really good. Price doesn't look bad. Internet of blockchains. I'll have to do more research on this one. It's not a cryptocurrency that it's been on my radar, but it does look okay. That is my first impressions of Cosmos. So good question, my friend. Appreciate it. Oscar, is it worth staking 10,000 amp? I don't know if it's worth doing it. Gas fees are a lot. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the gas fees questions here. So let's go to Flexa capacity, everyone. I showed you earlier in this video, or earlier today, how staking on the Flexa capacity, of course, you connect your wallet, bam, and then once you're here, 1.2, that's great. Then you do stake, and then now you have this stake on Gemini, you have stake on Speeding and stake on Lightning. Right now, earlier in the morning of today, Sunday, the price was $40 to stake. Let's go ahead and see how much is right now. So let's do stake on Lightning, because that makes total sense. Why would I select something that is less, right? So let's do stake on Lightning, and I'm gonna check what is the price right now for you guys. Oh wow, it's still $47, guys. That's so awesome, everyone. Guys, it was $122 some days, $100, $90. Right now it's $47. That is beautiful, guys. So I of course want the cheaper prices, but this is getting close to my I would say perfect market price, right? So I'm gonna cancel this. So yeah, that's really good, because once I see something that I really like, oh boy, I'm gonna pass everything that I have on Gemini to stake, and goodbye. So $40 for that who ask, it's a lot of money. I know it is a lot. We're not gonna sugarcoat this, but it's way better than it was before. And DJ Flexa says Ethereum sucks. I know what you're saying. Flexa Lighting going up. Well, it was coming down a lot, John, but right now, hopefully, it stays at 8%. If it stays at 8%, that's going to be delicious, because it's pretty much what Gemini Dollar gives you to stake. So that will be amazing, guys, for sure. Guys, that is exactly what I wanted to tell you when it comes to Ethereum, Bitcoin, I'm talking Cardano, Algorand, massive cryptocurrencies that are coming in the market. Of course, pay attention to this. You know that this week, Coinbase received a Wells notice from the SEC. So expect cryptocurrencies to drop a bit because of regulations and the government, the U.S. government, trying to kind of like crackle down on cryptocurrencies, right? That is okay news for me. You know why? You guys know why? Because it may bring the prices down, and that will be better price entry for me. I don't care if they're scaring people away from cryptocurrencies. To me, guys, it's better entry prices. To me, it's better positions that I'm going to make, because later on, this thing is going to go wild, and bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom, guys. $47 to stake 520 amp. I know, I hope that, guys, because I haven't tried it yet, please, if somebody can help me on this. If I try to stake more amp, do they charge more Ethereum, or is it one amp token fee for any quantity of amp tokens staked? Can somebody help me with that? Because I don't know. Like, if I wanted to stake $100,000 in one swing, will it be the 47 or is it gonna be more because there's more AMP token coins? Somebody can help me on that because I haven't tried that yet. I would love to hear your thoughts. Oscar, get familiar with Avalanche Network. Their fees are super cheap. Thank you, Kenny. Yeah, I mean that is exactly what I was telling you when it comes to Algorand and Solana and Cardano. The solutions to the high fees of Ethereum are those cryptocurrencies. Absolutely. DJ Flexa says it's gonna be more. No way, really? Oh no, it's more. No way, it's more. Well, thank you for telling me, guys. I didn't know that because I've always had the same 500. Hey, mommy, diamond hands. I've always had that same 500. I thought it was just but I mean that's what I've seen on the Facebook group, the same price. So hopefully it's less. But typical, right? Typical. That is what we had. Let's see. This was Algorand, guys. So what a beauty. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ADA because people were telling me just to take a look at it. What not? Let's see. Is it pumping? Not yet. No worries. We'll do 4 hours. 4 hours ADA. It's doing well, ADA. There you go. We'll come back here. There you go. We'll close this beauty. We'll come back here. Guys, what a night. What a beauty. What a night. What a beauty. We're excited. We're excited. I got to tell you, we're excited for what's coming. That is exactly what we want to do. Absolutely. Now, everyone, as you're watching this, if you are happy with what you're seeing, of course, I invite you guys to go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. This is us, guys. We're doing well. People are watching and people are learning. That's what we want to see. If you go to my channel, guys, and you go to channels here, you're gonna see that finally I was able to add my official channel in Spanish, Espanol. So if Spanish is your first language and you want to be the first one notified, might as well want to subscribe to this one. And once I post the first video, you're gonna be the first ones to know. How about that? And guys, if you're interested to talk to me on Discord, because I do have a Patreon account, well, what I recommend you to do is to swing by my Discord, my Patreon page, where if you sign up, well, you'll be able to hear from me on Discord and I respond any questions you have. I'm happy to say that I've had amazing patrons. They ask me anything. We talk about life. I give you some behind the scenes. Like, for example, I went to Six Flags yesterday. I had a blast. So stuff like that. Just my life and more. Appreciate all the support, everyone. It's time for questions, guys. So if you have a question, drop it in the chat. So after that, we swing by because it's Sunday and it's about to be, 9 p.m. and we're going to get ready for the upcoming week. Bye, Bergie. Take it easy, buddy. Appreciate it. Any question you guys have? And after that, we swim by. Excellent. MTV. All right, amateur. You got me. MTV. There you go. Thank you for saying MTV. MTV it is. So what in the world is MTV? Multi-vac. That's the first one we're going to take a look at right now. Multi-vac. First thing, I'm going to look at the tokenomics. I'm going to look at market cap. I see 48 million. Volume. Total supply of multi-vac. It's 8 what? Its max supply is 10 billion. Yes, 10 billion. Okay. Year to date. Oh, wow. Okay. That's nice. Okay. What is this? What is multi-vac? The live multi-vac, Next year, public blockchain that aims to achieve high throughout the flexibility and finance scalability. Okay. Okay. I love when you guys show me new projects because, I think it's a good way for me to refresh my mind and take a look at more things. The pioneer flexible blockchain platform based on trusted sharing. Okay. aims to develop fast and efficient blockchain where sharing is used for computation and transmission and storage. All right, well, and we don't have it on Coinbase and stuff. It doesn't look like it's on Coinbase. Okay, so this seems to be in decentralized exchange, mainly on PancakeSwap. KuCoin doesn't ring a bell. So by looking at the price of multi-vac, I gotta tell you that it's doing okay. I like what the price is doing. If this beauty goes to Coinbase Pro or so, it's gonna be powerful and there's gonna be a huge pump. So if you're watching this, I am very positive to tell you, of course, take this with a grain of salt, that if it goes to Coinbase, if you see multi-vac MTB on Coinbase, you're gonna see a huge spike because people are gonna be buying this, especially due to the price. All right, 1 cent, not bad. So not bad, and thank you so much for sharing. That's a very good one. DJ Flexa, what do you say? You said you think the new corner commerce into crypto need to alert and made aware of Ethereum, the fees before they invest. I don't see anyone doing that to make people aware. Okay, I see what you're saying, DJ Flexa. I do agree with that. I think when Flexa Network and Tyler say, or like when back in our live stream, right? Because I haven't heard him speak too much on staking on the other interviews, but in our interview a couple months ago, he was talking about staking, and yeah, it seems they don't care much about what the price of staking is, especially with Ethereum fees. But realistically speaking, they will hopefully they'll do something so more people stake. That's the idea, or they increase their rewards. I will say that is one of the reasons why you take a look at the stake and you see stake lighting above. It's a great opportunity to have the lighting available, right? The lighting network. So definitely, if you want to stake, you are not going to take Gemini or Spin. You want to take the one that gives you the most money. Thank you, Mature. Appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. AMP bullish prediction. My bullish prediction is right here, where I think that AMP token is going to be above 10 cents by the end of the year. I will tell you, Omar, that if you would have asked me that question right here about, go to year to date, I remember having some live sessions here on YouTube around this time, June. And believe me, people in my lives who probably are here too, and I love you guys, you're awesome. People were telling me, oh no, I'm token is gonna be 30% or 30 cents by the end of the year. I would love to see that, of course, but by looking at the trend, how we're going, I had to reduce my estimated price from 30 cents to 20 to 25 cents to 20 to 15 cents. Now I'm saying about 10 cents, right? And just looking at reality and having a conservative spirit. Either 6 cents, 7 cents, or above 10 cents. That's what I'm looking at. What I'm betting on to have these predictions and have some type of logic to these predictions is that exactly what's happening right now, expanding to new countries, adding more, I would say, products used to be used by consumers, which all goes back to the Flexa network and to the AMP token collateralized payments. That should give more push for this to rise. That is my logic and way of thinking, right? Sadly, because it's such a cheap cryptocurrency, it's highly manipulated. And when you see a lot of people buy, expect a massive sell-off later on. How do I know that? Just take a look at the charts right now. Massive sell-off, then massive buy. Massive sell-off, massive buy, and stuff like that. So ideally, of course, the price of AMP token wants to continue rising. But if you take a look at starting on April 2021, we were looking at the price of 2-3 cents. Now we are 2x that at 5 cents. So, well, if in the next couple of 3 months, 2 months, we go to 7 months and end the year at 8 cents, I wouldn't be bad. I wouldn't be angry to see that, right? Still is above of my personal investment entry point, so I'll be happy. Absolutely. Well, we have some other spammers here, so we'll have to remove them and take them out. We don't want people to start cluttering our chats, of course. Why do you think crypto is surrounded by negative press? Oh, Aram, you don't want me to start with this. You don't want me to start with this. This will take a long time, but I will do it just in a quick matter. Look, guys, you have to understand that banks work alongside the SEC, the government, right? Without banks, the government really doesn't work well. How are you going to tell banks to continue working if there are some other instruments, financial instruments that allow us, the human beings that live on this state and this country, to earn more than the national average banks pay to put money in their savings account? Take a look at how much money they give you for a savings account. Not even 1%. If you are the Superman of investing, if you get 2-3% in a savings account. So the SEC and the banks work together for what? And of course, the new like the news media, that's super sold. Don't even trust what they say. I mean, that's just my perspective. Take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. But I look at the news every day, and wow, it's sad. But anyway, the news media, the SEC, the government, and the banks still have their own, meetings and what have you, and they see Coinbase thriving, they see BlockFi, they see Gemini, and they see all these awesome private companies. And what do they want to do? They still want to get people in their investment funds and so, but then you see crypto and you're like, whoa, us, the normal people, are making so much money here, and that they don't like that. They don't like that. So what can I say, guys? Negative press. At least we have press. Remember, all press is good press. And negative press, just imagine how much money is going to be made by you and me, and how many people are going to come to us in crypto when media becomes good media, positive media. Shut up, everyone. Shut up. It's going to be the best thing ever. So at the end of the day, guys, it is what it is. That's what I think. And I think we're too early. Well, too early. DJ Flexa well said, ultimately, they don't want us to lose control of all fiat money and enslaves you. Crypto is freedom. Guys, DJ Flexa said it. The dollar is dying, guys. Like your dollar, the fiat money is dying. In the UK, I just saw an analysis tool. It's also coming back down. The dollar, the government doesn't seem to have remorse for all the trillions of dollars they print on a daily, on like the yearly basis. Like the government, these people that are 70, 80 years old, they're just signing $1 trillion packages. They know they were not going to bear the consequences of their actions. Like, I'm not going to say names, right? But you know who I'm talking about. Like, these people in the head of the United States government are signing trillions of dollar packages. Like, are you kidding me? Who is going to pay all that inflation and the gas prices and the food prices and Social Security? Not them. You guys and me. You and me. We are paying that, not them. So, do you want me to continue? That's what I said. Don't you want to get me started with that? Because I have my thoughts on that. They're strong thoughts. I cannot say everything I want here, right? Because this is cryptocurrency related. But what I'm saying, everyone, is I found cryptocurrencies and I love it. And I know they're going to do the best they have to destroy this or to just have negative press. But we're here for the long term. Now, we don't have to, of course, be blind to say all crypto is good, because there are some scam projects, dangerous, ugly projects that you want to stay away from, that is going to just delete all your investments. Because sadly, everyone, scammers, fakers, and bad people are in this place too. And you want to be smart, right? You want to be smart. So all the cryptocurrencies I talk about and I love to share with you, I'm talking Algorand, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and you name it. These are good cryptocurrency projects that I'm putting my money on and I'm giving my word. So there you have it, everyone. I hope you like my little rant or my information. If you guys are liking the channel, if you guys are liking the stream, why don't you go ahead, like this video right now, consider subscribing so more people know, and then turn on those notification bells, please. Thank you so very much. ABU, appreciate it. Hello, hello, welcome aboard. Preach, Oscar. Well, that's what we have to say, right? Anything that can interfere with the dollar, banks and the government will try to figure out a way to crush them. Michael Delgado, it is what it is, and you know it. Fabian Morales, all news is good news. People are afraid of what they don't know, especially when it disrupts the norms. Fabian, my man, it is true, bro. I mean, we already know it. So it's the beginning, guys. Just Cardano is announcing the Alonso update. A year, 2 years from now, that's going to be old news, but we're already here, already ready, right? So what else can I say? I love it. If you sell, you're just making the whales happy, because it will always come back, and they're waiting for you to get scared to take your ADA. Don't let them. Pirate trader, you're riding away. Absolutely. Let's see. What are your thoughts on people thinking crypto is more of a store of value rather than the actual cryptocurrency? Yeah, we already talked a little bit about that one. AM token is not a stable coin. Stable coins are pegged to a dollar, fiat money, and AM token is not that. It's a cryptocurrency that collateralizes payments on the Flexa network. So as you're seeing right now on the screen, it's very volatile. A stable coin, it will not. So the reason that it's trading sideways, well, we already said that it is, we're waiting for something to come out, but gotta be ready. In my case, I already have my foundation that I wanted. If you like the project, besides the price of AM token, Flexa and what Flexa is doing, that's what really drives the news for me, is the utility more than the price of the coin. When it goes to 6, 7, 8, 9 cents, great, nice, because it's just the price, right? It's great, we're making money, but the reality, it all comes from the source, and the source is everything that the Flexa team is doing, and I love it. Good question, by the way. DJ Flexa, crypto is the opportunity gaining financial freedom, not controlled by someone else. For you, governments weren't out. Buy the dips, sell the tops, get your riches. It's early. It's still early, my friends. It's still early. It's not even 20 years old for Bitcoin, 10 years old, Ethereum, and 1 year old, I'm talking. So you tell me, if you hold in 10 years, I'm talking, your investment won't be as high as $1 easy. So just imagine being 40, in my case 40 or 30, if you are 18 years old, and then having already a couple millions on the side because you put in money a couple of years ago. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So besides cryptocurrency stocks and Roth IRA investment, retirement, I know my retirement on my Roth IRA is a good retirement. I try to buy it on a Roth IRA or like tax advantage account, so I don't pay taxes once I retire. But in reality, everyone, is that what you're buying right now, like the cryptocurrency you're buying right now, if you want to liquidate that position in 5, 7, 8 years, there are going to be new rules. There are going to be new laws. There's going to be new regulation 8 years from now. So I hope that as more people embrace, and all the laggards that are just waiting and that are on the fence on cryptocurrency, in 8 years will approve cryptocurrency, right? And that will beneficiate all of us. So that's why I'm delaying the time I'm selling my cryptocurrency, because right now not many people know about it. Right now not many people are on board, but in a couple of years from now, more people will. There you go. Go back to ADA, guys. As this live, of course, we're looking at the trend of ADA, and well, the ADA party, nothing's happening, and that's totally fine. And we see the RSI coming down. So that's what I was saying, a couple days ago. Sell off, but then picking up. If I see ADA less than $2, I'm buying. I don't know. I don't care if I have to sell my couch, my car. I'm just kidding, right? But I'm buying that beauty. Absolutely. Everyone, my friends, honestly, you rock. You are the reason why I'm here. You are the reason why we're growing. You are the reason why I like this, and I have my 9-to-5 job, and then I have you too, and I'm doing something I never would have thought of, but I'm happy to do this, and even grateful that you guys are finding it useful. I'm from Mexico. I don't have the perfect accent. Sometimes my comments say, speak better English. Well, it is what you get. But I know one day I'll get better. And I'm always trying to get better in all the aspects of life. But I also want to thank you from the bottom of my heart to watch this live. I wish you the best. We have an amazing week ahead of us. We have an amazing time when it comes to investing and personal finance. What else can I say, guys? You rock! Very, very, very excited. Freshy, what do you think about Solana? We talked about Solana, and what I think is that I'm gonna go back once again, guys, just for the last time. Solana, it's of course dropping right now. Why? Because it was way overbought, way overbought. I'm gonna go back to the year today right now so you see it better. Finally, Solana is coming down the upper band, so it was expected. That's why I don't have any Solana. I'm waiting for it to come back down, then I'm gonna buy. Like, that's basic cryptocurrency purchases 101. So don't worry. Just gave you the potential that Solana will have. The people who made money right here is because if you would have bought Solana before the pump, now it's time for it to retrace back, to come back down, and boom, there you have it. Pokemon said, Viva Mexico. There you go, everyone. We're here to earn financial freedom, and it is interesting community. There you go, my friend. Appreciate it. In English, and your English is fine. You speak pretty well, mate. Awesome, my man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, guys. Honestly, and one day in the future, my the goal that I'm planning to have is 100,000 subscribers here on this channel. So finally kick off my Spanish channel so more people know it. I have a good base, good foundation, good community, healthy and beautiful community. And then for whoever who wants to transition to a Spanish speaking live and videos, they can go and start watching it there. That's the plan I have today. I utilize my YouTube channel as cryptocurrencies and investments, long-term growth. I'm not rushing my YouTube. It's going organically. That is the best route to grow at a good pace here on YouTube, everyone. But anyhow, you guys are awesome. Honestly, guys, you are insane. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out. You have all my links down below for anything that you want to talk to me on my social media. You want to make some money. There you go. Go ahead and open an account on Coinbase or Gemini or Robinhood or whatever you want. You have my merch down there too. God willing, we're going to get to 10,000 subscribers. So every time you watch a video of me, you will see the merch right there down below once we get to 10,000 subscribers, which God willing is going to be pretty soon. And well, I mean, honestly, extremely excited, because once I get even more excited, once we get that, what I'm seeing in the chat, mommy, you are insane, dropping a $20 super chat before the live stream ends. Yes, sir. Awesome. Appreciated your support. I mean, appreciate it a lot. He become, or she, I don't even know how to address you, but I will say mommy became a member, a VIP member earlier in the stream, and just dropping a $20. Guess what, everyone? Every single money you're dropping off right now, I'm reinvesting that on Coinbase and Gemini. That's what it is. And I do it for you so you can even see how my journey is growing. Alfonso91. Okay, I'm going to translate this for everyone. So he has found the channel, never giving up, and thank you for educating everyone, because these are the things that they don't teach us, I mean, when we're growing up. And Viva Mexico. There you go, Alfonso. Thank you so very much for donating. Appreciate it. And just for you in Spanish, muchas gracias, Alfonso. Te agradezco demasiado. Gracias, bro. Thank you so very much, Alfonso. Appreciate it. It's kind of weird to kind of switch. It's kind of weird to switch like from one another. But it is what we have to do, right? It is what we have to do. Thankfully, it's only just to imagine having more languages. Oh gosh, no. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, Alfonso. You are insane, everyone. You are awesome. And I really, really appreciate all your support, everyone. What I think of hard wallets, Michael, I think that's the best way to make your money safer. I don't have any hard wallets. The idea is for me to have, I think that's a great way to put it. Well, I don't have any USB right now with me. Oh, here it is. So you see this is my USB, right? So it kind of looks like a USB. So once I have all my foundations, I mean, my Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, I'm token, Algorand, and what have you, wouldn't be a bad idea to if you want even more protection and layer security, transfer everything to hard wallet, and there you have it. That will be the best way to store your cryptocurrency. All right, that will be the best way, because then nobody can take it from you. But don't forget to have your passcode somewhere else, because you don't want to be that person who had about 250,000 bitcoins and forgot the password. That was an interesting story. Bye, Flexa. Have a good one. Period Trader, thank you so very much. Alrighty, Oscar is taking us to the moon. There you have. Hey, Fabian, thank you so very much. Guys, it's time for me to go. What a day, what a night. Can't believe it, everyone. You're awesome, you're crazy, and a new week is just barely starting. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. You just got to the stream. We just finished, but don't worry, about to start again. If you go back to YouTube, the live, so you can watch it from the start. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. Please be safe. Have a great time. Slowly but surely, we get to financial freedom. And us, we go to the moon. I'll see you next time. Peace, everyone. Take it easy. Have a good one, guys. God bless you. Ciao, ciao, guys. Have a good one, everyone. Take it easy, and thank you so much. Peace, everyone. There is a secret to speaking better English. It's vowels. Trust me, English is my second language. Thank you, Ozzy. Appreciate it. I'll keep that in mind. Thank you, Greg Sosa. Appreciate it. VIP member. Appreciate it, Greg. Have a good one, my man. Thank you so much.